Okay, here we go. First, I want to say hello, Serena, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company. I'll go over three key factors that you need to rank your business on Google and increase your exposure. You need content, backlinks, and citations. Now, understand every time you type something into Google, you're actually typing keywords. Google uses that. It looks for what you are asking from a website that best fits the search of the words. So that would be called search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keyword or words that get typed in the search, and then categorize these websites based on the content. This is how you start to establish rank. You need 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. You also need backlinks. Backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement for your website or of your website, and it builds trust in Google for your website. Citations is another thing, or referring domains. That is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number are shown, exactly like a Google Business Profile. If you don't have a Google Business Profile, it's highly recommended you get one. It directly connects your business to the citations and helps you rank on the map. This is how the map ranks. You are definitely right here in the map, so you have excellent citations. Probably need a little bit of work on the rest of it, content and backlinks. So, and of course, citations is Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. So underneath the maps is where the organic ranking starts to come. Of course, this is an advertisement. That's Yelp. This is Find a Mechanic. So the competition for you would be organic ranked websites. For example, Mark's Super Service Center. Now I typed in auto repair North Charleston, but you are not on the first page. I don't see you here. So let's give you an idea of how this works. I have a tool that I can use. I can plug you in here. I can see your website, and I can plug you into a tool that I have called Ahrefs, and it shows your backlinks, your referring domains, and the organic keywords that you use, and then the traffic that you're getting from that, as well as the Superstore for Mr. Mark here. And when I plug him in, I see that he has 172 backlinks, 16 referring domains, 475 organic keywords, and his traffic is bringing him 89 from those keywords. So for an example, let's take a look at this, give you an idea. Top keywords that are bringing in for him, let's see, Ford maybe, 700 times that's getting searched in volume per month. Mini Cooper, Mazda, Honda Service Center, Honda Service Charleston, I'm sorry. Customer rear builds. These are all keywords, and keywords vary depending on the specialty of what you're working with. But these keywords and the volume that they're searched is what creates a lot of exposure for you when people are typing into Google for specifically what they're needing. Now, let me see. Give me 1 second here. Let's take a look at some referring domains and how strong they are and the amount of traffic that they get per month. With that attached to you and your website, all this is obtainable to you just as well. So when we take a look at you, well, you need some referring domains. Not as much. So if you beef this up a little bit and increase your backlinks, your citations, once this is all put together, once backlink citations and content come together, you'll gradually work your way into the ranking and it'll put you on the first page. It'll expose you. It'll bring more clients. You're missing out on a lot of potential views by keywords and content, which it turns into customers when they see you when they type in for the search engine optimization. So it's important to understand how a well-built website works and what puts you on that front page. So you do have the exposure that you need so you can bring some more value to what you're looking for and, achieve some of them dreams that you had when you started a business. If you find that you're wanting some more information and you want to talk, I could do some research, find out what's realistic for you. I hope that you have a better understanding, and I thank you for taking the time to watch this with me today, and I hope you have a good day.